Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our mobile wash kit. This is a great money-saving kit that gives you all the tools you need to wash your car wherever you may find yourself. And it's compact enough that you can throw everything in the trunk and take it with you wherever you go. The main features of this kit are rinseless wash and wax and its flexibility and versatility, and this 2.5 gallon collapsible silicone bucket. At 2.5 gallons of water capacity, all you need to do is add 1 ounce of rinseless wash and wax to mix up and have a safe to use washing solution. To wash your car, you're going to use the included microfiber wash pad, dunking it in the solution, wringing out the excess water, and working your way around the vehicle from top to bottom. You're going to dry up the excess water with the included plush edgeless microfiber towels. You get 3 of those in the kit, and those are going to also serve as a wash tool, or if you're going to use rinseless wash and wax at its dilution ratio of 15:1. And luckily in the kit, you've got that 15:1 dilution bottle, so you can mix that up and use it as either a pre-soak for your heavily soiled areas, or even as a ready-to-use waterless washing option. So this kit is very comprehensive. Again, everything fits back inside the bucket and goes right into your trunk, so you can drive away and wash your car anywhere. Thank you for watching. For more information on the mobile wash kit, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.